Today, we're going to make a cute pipe cleaner strawberry keychain. After the materials list, let's get started. Take 2 pink pipe cleaners and cut them in half to create 4 15cm pieces. For each strawberry section, fold 3 short pieces in half. Then fold 1 full-length pipe cleaner in half, and insert it through the center of the 3 folded pieces. Twist it once to secure everything together. Arrange all the pipe cleaners neatly, pinch the top slightly, and measure about 7 centimeters. Use one of the longer pipe cleaners to wrap around the base and secure it tightly. Press the wrapped section with pliers, trim away the excess pipe cleaners, and gently curve the shape. Spread the pipe cleaners evenly, and fold the wrapped section inward. We'll need 4 of these pieces in total. Now let's assemble the strawberry. Apply a thin line of hot glue along the edge of one piece, and attach another piece beside it. Make sure the edges line up neatly. This will help the strawberry look nice and round. Continue attaching the remaining pieces one by one. After attaching the last piece, glue it back to the first piece to close the shape. And now we have a lovely strawberry shape. Next, let's make the strawberry cap. Take a green pipe cleaner and measure about 4 centimeters. Fold it once, then measure another 2 centimeters, and continue folding back and forth to create 6 points. At the end, make one slightly shorter point, about 1.5 centimeters long, for attaching the keychain ring later. Twist each point tightly to secure it. Once finished, lift the smallest point upward and twist the remaining ends together underneath. Round out the small center point and gently shape each leaf by opening the sections and pinching the tips. Add a slight curve to make the leaves look more natural. Apply plenty of hot glue and attach the cap to the top of the strawberry. Adjust the shape as needed until everything looks neat and full. Now let's add some realistic shading. You can use eyeshadow or any soft pigment powder. Choose a color slightly darker than your pipe cleaner. Start from the bottom of the strawberry and slowly blend the color upward. Remember to build the color gradually rather than applying too much at once. A little tip: if you don't have a brush, you can use a small leftover piece of pipe cleaner to apply the color. The shading instantly makes the strawberry look more realistic and vibrant. Finally, let's decorate the strawberry. Take the pearl beads and glue them on one by one. There's no need to add too many. A few small pearls placed naturally will look best. I used 6 pearl beads in total. Once everything is in place, attach the keychain ring, and our adorable strawberry keychain is finished. It's always exciting to see the strawberry slowly come together. What color strawberry would you make? Classic red, pastel pink, or maybe even a cute white strawberry? And that's it for today's project. I hope you enjoyed making this cute strawberry keychain with me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.